Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy deviled eggs. We'll start by selecting the best ingredients to ensure a delicious and nutritious snack. You'll learn simple swaps that significantly reduce calories and fat without sacrificing taste. Get ready to transform a classic appetizer into a guilt-free delight that everyone will love. This guide provides all the steps for a perfect batch. Now, let's gather our ingredients and begin the preparation. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper for seasoning. After hard boiling your eggs, carefully have them lengthwise and scoop the yolks into a separate bowl, ready for mixing. Once your yolks are in the bowl, it's time to create that irresistible filling. Mash the yolks thoroughly with the Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. Then, using a piping bag or a small spoon, carefully fill each egg white half with the delicious yolk mixture. Finish with your favorite garnish for a beautiful presentation. To ensure your healthy deviled eggs are at their peak, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 days. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.